Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you getting the error this type of messages isn't supported yet on Instagram? If so, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you a few simple steps to fix this and get your messages working again. Let's jump in. As always, the first thing to do is to check if there's an update available on Instagram. Head to Play Store, search for Instagram by typing Instagram in the search bar and tap update if you see the options. Updates usually fix these kinds of compatibility issues. This error often occurs when Instagram doesn't yet support certain message formats or features in your region, especially for features like stickers, GIFs, or disappearing messages. If this is the case, try sending a regular text message instead of using unsupported formats. If it's not a message format issue, it could be a glitch in the app itself. Go to your phone's settings, then find Instagram under apps. You should do that by typing Instagram in the search bar, and then tap storage and cache. Go to the bottom right, then click clear cache. This can resolve the issues caused by corrupted files. Finally, if none of the other steps work, try uninstalling it and reinstalling Instagram. Go to Play Store, uninstall Instagram, and then reinstall it to refresh the app completely. This often resolves stubborn errors. And there you have it. That's how you fix this type of message isn't supported yet. Error on Instagram. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. And as always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to assist you.